Walmart's been interesting this morning as shares were initially higher by 4% pre-market after earnings, but they've now turned lower by almost 1%. Joining us now, fresh off the call, is one of the analysts who covers it, Michael Lasser, UBS equity research analyst over at Michael. We appreciate you joining us this morning. Why the turnaround?
Good morning, Kelly. The reason why there was a slight turnaround in the stock was the commentary around tariffs and some uncertainty. Plus, they noted that the second quarter could have a wide range of outcomes, but that's largely due to technicalities like the way that merchandise is accounted for. If we put that aside, there are really three important points here. First, Walmart is executing at a high level. Its momentum is strong. It generated 4.5% comp increase in 1Q, driven by 1.5% growth in traffic. Two, it reiterated its guidance for the year. And that shows that it's able to manage its business effectively. And three, within that guidance, it assumed the tariffs that currently stand will persist, showing that it can really deal with a host of uncertainties in this current environment.
So, in other words, and we knew some of this thanks to Courtney and the initial release. We knew, okay, the prices are going up and so forth. They can't quite, see what's going to happen in Q2. So it's just interesting that initially, I don't know, what do they seize on initially? The comps?
So two things that were in focus. One was the company said if tariffs remain elevated, then there could be some downside risks ahead. Now, when they clarified what elevated means, that definition is a higher rate than we stand today. So there's still uncertainty on the horizon. The level of tariffs that were in place as recently as last week from countries of China was going to be very disruptive, at least in the short term. And that comment was meant to convey that message. And two, there is a bit more near-term uncertainty given the way that this is going to be accounted for. But if you're looking at the big picture, which we think is important, nothing has changed about the story. It's still in a great spot, and investors should own Walmart from here. We want to coin a new term. When the market freaks don't have a cow, own high quality Costco, O'Reilly, and Walmart. COW. And Walmart is really high quality in this market. Don't have
O'Reilly,
a cow.
That's great company for O'Reilly to be in. Wow. I mean, they've done very well, but still putting up with Costco and Walmart. It's pretty good.
Those are high quality companies, and that's what we advocate. Stick with quality in this market. Don't have a cow.
Do have a cow. That's a stupid say.
Joe,
you mean do have a cow.
Do it however you want to look at it. However you want to look at it.
I'm confused. You're trying to coin a term here. You're saying don't have a cow, but buy Costco, O'Reilly, and Walmart. So do have a cow.
Milk it.
I like the way you're thinking. Exactly.
Okay. All right.
Michael, thanks. Really appreciate you joining us. Michael Lasser.
All right.
Have a cow.
Yeah, have a cow.